I'm this, I'm that, I'm this, rich and famous and beautiful, and whatever. Pride of our titles or pride of our position, individual titles. That's a negative spiritual quality. That's impurity in the mind and consciousness. That sullies the mind. But if a devotee, I'm proud of Krishna. I'm proud that Krishna has somehow bestowed his mercy upon me. Because without Krishna entering my heart to create the desire to love him or serve him, I would never be here. That's the first, and the interest in God is a gift of Krishna. So I'm proud of Krishna, that Krishna is my Lord, and I'm proud of my Guru. So a devotee is allowed to have pride in Krishna. I can be proud of Krishna, and I can be proud of my Guru, that he's such a great saint, and we can glorify his qualities and his characteristics. But me, I'm just das and das.